How to use WhatsApp stickers on Instagram. Easy method. Want to use your WhatsApp stickers on Instagram stories or chats? Here's the simple method. Step 1. Save WhatsApp stickers to your phone. Open WhatsApp. Open any chat containing the sticker you want. Tap the sticker. If the Add to Favorites option appears, save it. To export stickers, take a screenshot of the sticker. Crop the image from your gallery. Step 2. Remove background. Optional. For a cleaner sticker look, open your phone's gallery or any background remover tool. Remove the background and save as PNG, if supported. Step 3. Add sticker to Instagram story. Open Instagram, tap Your Story, select the saved sticker image from your gallery, resize, and place it anywhere on the story. Eye warning. Important note. Instagram does not directly import WhatsApp stickers, so you must save them as images first. Target summary. Save sticker from WhatsApp, crop or remove background, upload image to Instagram story. Now you can use your favorite WhatsApp stickers on Instagram.